natin ini-incorporate, otherwise po magiging uneconomical yung design. Kung lahat ng kalsada natin ay lalagyan natin, masatisfy lang natin yung net set, sayang po yung bakal na ilalagay doon. Ganun po. Kaya hindi na natin nilalagyan na ng bakal po. Ngayon po, gusto kong magtanong po kayo, kahit sino po sa inyo, para masagot po namin kung may mga clarification po kayo, gusto kayong malaman doon sa engineering work namin doon sa DPWH. Para as far as we can, ma-explain po namin sa inyo para magkaroon din po kayo ng idea. Kasi sa totoo lang po, nahihirapan na rin po kami sa DPWH kasi nga yun po nangyari sa iba.
Science and construction is a continuous process, and we always have to adapt to the current climate condition. We cannot just rely on the previous setting of our design because time and time again, climate changes, and we have to adapt to the climate change. Design is according to the location and the climate of the vicinity. So yun po lagi, we do not stick on what just a standard design and base it on my visual assessment. I do not mean anything. I just narrated that based on what I have seen and what my personal assessment was. Nothing more, nothing less. I just want to let the people know what I have observed. Thank you.